You look as good as Oprah's bank account. I just wanna take you out.
Welcome, YouTube and YouTube subscribers. It's Scoofy here, back with another video for you guys today. This is gonna be a dope-ass unboxing for you, so please stay tuned. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family, and give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get on into the video.
Back home, I'm no president, I'm Obama. Ay, I condone the drama.
Y'all know Supreme is back, and you know I've always picked up stuff from Supreme for quite a while now, so I did get my hands on a couple things. But let's go ahead and show you. I'm just gonna get straight on into it. We're not even gonna talk, and we're gonna talk as we open, but we'll start with the first pack. So this is from the first Supreme drop. This is kind of all I wanted. I didn't really care for anything else that came out on there. Well, you know what, I lied. There was a tea I wanted to get, but obviously I wasn't able to get it. Well, I wanted a bottle, so I didn't get that either, but it's fine. I was able to at least get 2 items that I wanted, so that's good. If you guys haven't checked out my Facebook group, it is all shoes for sale. It is a huge group. I have over 30,000 people in the group. I do giveaways there and stuff like that. So if you guys want to check out the giveaways, they are on the group, all shoes for sale. If you join the group from the YouTube, then let me know. Leave a comment or post something in there saying, hey, I joined from YouTube, or I saw this from YouTube, and I'll have a special prize for you. First thing we get, if I'm correct, this is the Supreme Poncho, the Supreme Rain Poncho. All right, I'm not gonna take this out, but I will use it if I do plan on going to a Cubs game, so I'll definitely rock this there. I'll be, you know, a big hype beast at the Cubs game, but that's pretty dope. Supreme Poncho. And of course, you're gonna get your stickers, so Supreme sticker. And this is, like I said, this is from the first Supreme drop of spring. So that's a sticker pack there. We're gonna start with Supreme bag, side pouch, I think is what this is, but just something to get. Probably give this to my lady or something, but it's a pretty nice little bag. So, and we have the Zippo glow in the dark lighter. So that's what this is. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna use it. I have a ton of lighters that I don't use, so another one of those. Supreme Zippo lighter. This is what we all came for, the big box. So this is from this week's Supreme drop. I was able to pick up both of them. So of course, you know, I have to have my story when it comes to stuff like this. So this one was a little weird. What happened was I went for the white pair first, and it was doing something weird where it kept saying that the internet was not working. Like I said, no internet connection or something like that. What I did was I just went to the black one. I was like, all right, I'm gonna try the black one. I went to the black one because I was able to add the white one to my cart. So I tried the black one, and the black one carded, and it let me get to my card and put all that stuff in. Long story short, when it loaded out, when it finally checked out, I had a black pair and a white pair. Pretty dope. So I'm just receiving it. Shout out Supreme for that. Manual gang, no bots. All right. Oh, they got more of those. So we did get another parka. Why do I keep wanting to call these that? Poncho. We did receive another poncho. There's another one. Oh, we did get the Tupac sticker. Yeah, that's fire. That's the shirt I wanted to get, the hologram Tupac shirt, but I got the sticker, that's fine. And here's one. So I'm gonna just leave this in the box like this so we can take out the other one first. But yeah, if you guys want to check out the giveaways, like I said, make sure you guys check out all shoes for sale on Facebook, on the Facebook groups. We have over 30,000 people in there, and I am trying to get rid of all the fake shoes. I know there's fake shoes. There's fake shoes everywhere, so I'm trying to get rid of the people that are selling fakes, you know, stuff like that. But it takes time, and it takes effort, and, you know, more stickers. Oh, they didn't give me anything on this one, just stickers. Okay, so we got both shoes out. Here's the first box. This box is beat up, but it is a 10.5 says this was $96, and this is the white pair. As you can see there, you see the tag. Okay. First look. Air Force One, Supreme. Pretty much a standard ass Force. Wow. Pretty much a standard ass Air Force One with the Supreme logo. But we all know, if you're a Supreme fan, this is a fire shoe regardless. We're gonna take both of them out. So you get to look at the shoe. Anything else in there? No. And they're gonna be releasing more of these, so if you didn't get them this drop, you'll probably be able to get them again. They weren't hard. It's just, you know, Supreme sometimes has those issues with, you know, checking out. That's not new. That's always been a thing with Supreme, so if you know. But yeah, here they are. Here's the white pair. It's a simple pair of white Air Force Ones with the Supreme logo. I wish they would have put Supreme on the silver medallion right there, but they didn't. They did give you the red Supreme laces, so that's pretty dope. You do get those, so that's pretty fly. I like that. And then I'll show you guys the black pair. I was so excited to get these, and I only really wanted the black pair, to be honest, because everybody for some reason likes the white pair, but I just really think the black and the red looks way better. It looks way better. The white one's nice, clean. I'm just not a fan of white shoes like that. But the black pair is just fire though. Like even the box is clean. See, that's how you know. See, nice clean box, no dent. Nice clean box. Tag, $96. All right, take these things out. Yeah, these look way better. Oh, by the way, the paper does have Supreme and Nike on it. So, sorry if you didn't catch that earlier. It does have Supreme and Nike on it. These is fire. See, I like the black better, much better. Just the Supreme logo on the black Air Force One. Which, if you know, Air Force Ones is just always a classic shoe. You know, it's a dope shoe to have. You can wear it with pretty much anything. Inside, it does have Supreme in there as well, so that's pretty dope. But like I said, I wish they would have put, oh, they did put Supreme on it. I lied. There is Supreme on the metal part. It's really small, but it is there. So I'm sorry if you can't see it, but there is Supreme on there. So that's pretty cool. All right, well, that counts for something. No Supreme on the tag right here. There's no Supreme there. Been dope to have Supreme back there too, you know, but it's fine though. I guess that works. I'll take that. But the black pair to me looks much better. You do get the black and white laces. All right. But I think the red laces will look better in this on some weird shit. The black laces will look better on the white one. That's what I would do personally. Black laces on the white pair, red laces on the black pair. Look way better. But there it is. There's both pair. Supreme, Air Force One, black, white. Like I said, these are dropping again. They said they will be releasing these multiple times on the drops. So if you didn't get them this time, you will have a chance to get them. So, all right. Scoofy here. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. Invite your friends and family. Don't forget to join the All Shoes for Sale group on Facebook. It's growing. It has 30,000 people in there. I do all my giveaways and stuff there as well, all right? Check it out. Scoofy here. Hit that bell as well, too. I forgot to say that. And I'm gone.
My bitch pull up looking like Oprah Bank. Let's go. Take a pic with a bitch and she fake. She look like a goddess, but she ain't no saint. My bitch bout it.